Hello students, today our question is x to the power 4 equal to 64. Then we have to find the value of x. It is a question of Olympiad which is very cool question. We are going to solve this question. Okay, so first to solve this question we should to know some rule of exponent. First rule is a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. It means power of power multiplied, okay, by power. And second is if we take power as much as both side of any number, it always same, okay. If that is if a barabar b and we are going to take power m both side, it has no difference, okay. So now we are going to solve this question. We are going to take power 4 both sides, so x to the power 4 equal to 4, 6 to the 64 to the power 4, okay. Now we are going to apply this formula, so it can be written as x to the power 4 into 4 equal to 64 to the power 4, okay, because we can multiply power to power. So here x to the power 4 and its power is 4, so we can multiply this, okay. Now we can write it as x to the power 4 to the power x to the power 4 equal to 64 to the power 4. Now listen, x to the power 4, x to the power 4 and 64 can be written as 8 to the power 4, okay. Now 8 to the power, we can multiply this power by this exponential rule, so it becomes 8. So x to the power 4, x to the power 4 equal to 8 to the power 8. And since there is a comparison formula that if something power something is equal to something power something, so we can compare the base. So here x to the power 4 we assume as 8 and x to the power 4 can assume as 8, so we can write x to the power 4 equal to 8. So x can be written as 4th root of 8 plus minus 4th root of 8. This is our solution. Thank you.